Any mention?
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 9. Your Lordship, I have retired and writ petition has become infructuous on that.
Yes, as it is submitted, the writ petition since been rendered infructuous, the matter accordingly stands closed and disposed of.
Apply, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Supplementary list item number 1.
Lordship, before my colleague makes submission, I just was informed this morning about this matter, and it appears that yesterday also it came up. And I just want to seek indulgence of this Honorable Court. Just 3-4 days, I'll just seek instructions and get the file and assist the court.
Mr. Kanta, what has happened is that he's just been removed like that. Though the proceedings are pending against him, but then what hearing was scheduled. What happened to the hearings, you don't know. And suddenly, out of the blue, he has been removed.
For that reason,
not only suspended, removed.
For that reason,
that is the strangest suspension we can understand. But you see the order in the one issued in Khasi's.
Understand, Your Lordship.
Call for protection now.
I seek just 3-4 days time, and I'll come with a proper instruction to assist this Honorable Court. I have been told about the order, which was
Because
passed.
now you can't. Now World Code of Conduct is there also. So which MDC will take a call? So for the time being, we'll give him some protection and continue.
Yes, sure.
And then we'll see.
Yes, sure.
Because
That's my humble submission.
I think no, he will.
There is a caretaker.
That's fair enough. Yes, fair enough. Because the thing is that yes, you see the order.
The order is very clear.
There's the proceeding has been continuing from 2024.
Yeah, exactly. And then suddenly he says, you see the order.
Annexure 3, Your Lord.
No. Yes, Mr. Singh, to say.
My Lord, as far as the petitioner is concerned, my Lord, there were earlier complaints also which was filed, my Lord.
Well, fair
And
enough.
my Lord, the
Complaints not
proceedings-
be there, but due process is due process.
My Lord, that is right. However, my Lord, even in the earlier cases, my Lord, complaints, notices were given to the petitioner, and then, my Lord, proceeding is still pending, my Lord, in the earlier cases. And then, my Lord, allegations which has been made in the earlier complaints, my Lord, these are very serious allegations, my Lord. And this order also, my Lord, this is a continuation of the earlier proceeding itself.
What happened the hearing in November?
My Lord,
Hearing was fixed October. What happened
yes,
after that?
again on
There has
November.
to be some, culmination of the proceedings which warrants some sort of order. If the proceeding not culminated, is still continuing, and the order comes out where he's been removed.
My Lord, will see the complaints, my Lord. The allegations are very, very serious allegations, my Lord. Yes, my Lord.
It can be the worst allegations also, but due process has to be followed.
My Lord, it has been followed because notices were issued earlier, my
Forget
Lord.
about notices. What happened to the hearing in November? See, it's been annexed here. Last one is, where's that, Mr. Swan?
Yes, sure.
Yesterday we had
44.
lots of time to examine
Yes,
this
yes.
matter. Yes.
There was an absence of one word, Your Lordship. Instead of saying Wang Shipor, that Shipor disappeared.
My Lord, let there be some
crucial it is.
For
clarification,
that
my Lord.
reason,
Yes, yes.
I wanted to come before this
Let
court
there be
with,
some clarifications, my Lord,
No.
by
You
the
have to be
district council.
responsible for your own actions, whatever the authorities.
Lordship, I
Lord,
have
So yes.
just
my
one
humble,
su-
my
one
humble
suggestion.
submission, Your Lord. My humble submission, just to kindly protect the petitioner, Your
My
Lord.
Lord, since 1999, my Lord, he was appointed. He has been continuing. And my Lord,
We're not talking
in between,
about-
my
these are
Lord,
all
there has
relevant, Your
been
Lordship.
serious allegations, my Lord, serious complaints has been made, multiple of complaints, my Lord, against him. And my Lord, this order is a result of all those past complaints, my
Where's
Lord.
order?
This is a continuation. My
Yes.
Lord, the order, my Lord, which has been put under
Where's
challenge.
order we've been found culpable of all these and that he's...
My Lord, the order, my Lord, it did not reflect
Where's the order?
category.
I have a suggestion, Your
If the
Lordship.
order is there, then the court will examine. Yes, the order is there. It's been removed due to this. That the inquiry is concluded and they recommend removal.
not
And
a
the disciplinary
speaking order, my
authority
Lord,
is
that
removed. Then where's the order? Where are the findings?
It's not a speaking order, my lord. That is, and my lord, this is temporary measurement, my lord, which was, however, my lord, my learned senior has already pointed out.
Temporary. Yeah.
No, no. Even senior, he'll advise them.
Yes,
You
yes.
see, that is what. So that's asking time. This is
It's
tactic.
very-
Maybe there is,
Take
Yes,
down,
yes.
yes.
Also,
Yes, yes.
just in the meantime, the office is open to take up.
Yes,
another
okay. Yes,
steps.
heard Mr. S. Walang, counsel for the petitioner.
Yes.
If you notice, Mr. Vijay Kanta's present with the MS Lamari, correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Except on behalf of respondents number 1, 2, and 3.
1 to 3 years.
1, 2, 3, Mr. Ensign Khan, through caveats present on behalf of respondent number 4. Stop. The grievance of the writ petitioner is that by the impugned letter dated, impugned order dated
25th. Ne?
No, 28th January 2025.
Where is that, Mr.
Annex 3, Your Lordship.
Page?
Page 3. I mean, sorry, 19. 19, Your Lordship.
Page 19.
Yeah, in a vernacular language, Your Lordship. Yeah.
Is by the impugned order dated 20th January 2025. He has been removed
Yes.
from the office of Lingdo Rai Nongse
Nongse.
Soyang Lingdoship without being heard, and the private respondent appointed in his place. Stop. He submitted letter counsel that proceedings have been instituted against him which are yet to culminate. The respondents 1, 2, and 3, however, without the same being concluded or affording an opportunity to the petitioner to defend himself, has passed the impugned order. Stop. We therefore praise that in the interim some protection be given
Yes, sir.
and be able to continue. Stop. Next paragraph. Mr. V.G.K. Kantal, special counsel, at the outset has sought for some time to seek some clarifications with regard to the removal of the writ petition from office, and has also at the room office stop. He submits that maybe there is some defect in the order itself, for which the respondent authorities may be allowed to re-examine. So, next, Mr. M. Sankon appearing for the respondent number 4, right?
yes, madam.
Submitted that there are serious allegations against the petitioner, and the same, the proceedings are still continuing,
My lord.
and the proceedings and inquiry into the same are still continuing before the respondents 1, 2, and 3, and that the impugned order is a result of the proceedings. Stop. He therefore prays that he submits that no interference is called for, at this stage of next paragraph. I've heard letter counsels for the parties also examine materials as presented. Stop. It is seen that in the impugned order itself, which has been passed in the vernacular language, that the writ petitioner has been summarily removed from the office of Lingdo Karai Nongse, and the respondent number 4 appointed acting Lingdo in his place. So no reasons have been ascribed or any reference has been made to the pending proceedings, except that except of reference to a letter dated 9/1/2025 of one Belan Nongbri expressing
My lord, this was a joint complaint.
expressing the lack of confidence in the writ petitioner. Stop. Next, on the face of the order itself, Professor case has been made out for interference at this stage, due to the fact that the orders are unreasoned and the petitioner has been summarily removed from office without semblance of due process. Next, for accordingly, the impugn order shall stand suspended until the next date.
Yes.
So, this is the matter on. After 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks, yeah.
After 2 weeks, respondents may file affidavits in the meantime.
Yes.
Any liberty for
Liberty is there. You file affidavits, we can dispose of the matter also.
Highly obliged.
much over?
Daily list item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship, in this matter, I pray for some more time, Your Lordship, 2 weeks' time to file my rejoinder
How many times
affidavit.
is taken for
Only
rejoinder?
once, Your Lordship.
Last was in November 24.
Yes,
Now it's January end 25.
one chance may be given, Your Lordship.
It's 2 weeks for the time is prayed. Allowed for rejoinder and just thereafter.
Item number 2.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, I pray for some further time for filing the affidavit, Lordship.
Two weeks for the time is prayed. Allowed for affidavit.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 3.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time to file my rejoinder to the affidavit filed by
Last
respondents
time you
number
already
4
paid
and
for
5.
2 weeks time.
No, Your Lordship, this is the first time.
You see last order. You're appearing on whose behalf? We have with MS Bank.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yeah, last order 1612. It's allowed 2 weeks time to file rejoinder. Anyway, further 2 weeks time is prayed. Allowed for rejoinder. Just thereafter.
4.
Lordship, I pray for 3 weeks' time, Lordship.
Yes.
I pray for 3 weeks' time, Lordship. I'm appearing for respondent number 2 and 5.
What's the matter about?
This is, my Lord, for non-renewal of trading licenses, my Lord. My Lord had stayed the closure notices, my Lord.
By whom?
By the district council, my Lord. Khasil.
You appearing to the council?
On behalf of Mr. Titi Dundo, Senior Advocates.
My Lord,
So he
please.
appeared to the
District
council.
council.
What's your name?
Mr. J.K. Paryat.
Okay. Mr. J.K. Paryat. Why is Mr. T. for 2 to 5 praise funds allowed for 2 weeks time for affidavit? Interim order will continue. The next day.
5.
Lordship.
Yes, file affidavit.
My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Yes, have you received copy?
Yes, my lord, I have received the copy. Rejoinder is not necessary, my lord. Therefore, this matter may be taken in hearing column after 1 week, my lord.
Okay, list the matter for, as the party submit a please complete matter for hearing after 2 weeks.
My lord, much obliged.
6.
Lordship, we're praying for further time, Lordship, for filing affidavit for respondent 5.
Similar prayer, Your Lordship, for the state respondent 1 to 4.
Why? You take so much time?
The second time, Lordship.
No objection. Yes, 2 weeks for the time. As per allowed to respondents to file their respective affidavits.
Obliged.
7.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I am appearing for the respondent corporation. I may be allowed 5 months time, for release of the benefits.
How much time?
5 months time.
We'll dispose of 5 months. 5 months.
Much obliged.
8.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, this matter needs some more time, your Lordship.
Lordship, we've taken steps, Your Lordship, for the private respondent.
How many respondents are there?
Private respondent, 2 of them, Your Lordship.
How many?
Respondent, 2 of them. Respondent 4 and 5.
Asa Vicky. 1 second. Not received. Office note indicates that service not complete on respondents 4 and 5. You can obtain. Petitioner is permitted to obtain status of service on said respondents and to file affidavit necessary. Yes.
Lordship, 3 weeks time may kindly be allowed, Your Lordship.
Line behalf respondents 1, 2, and 3.
1 to 3,
for
Lord.
allowed for that 2 weeks time to file.
Let it be 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks time.
Lordship.
Just thereafter. Yes.
Okay, Your
For
Lordship.
the orders.
Hearing, item number 10.
The matter has been heard for some length, my lord, in this matter.
Where's the petitioner? How come N. Raji? No, joinder will be necessary. The last order.
Lordship?
Now it's fixed for hearing. First time come for hearing.
Lordship.
On behalf of correspondent school managing committee.
Where's the petitioner? What's the matter about?
Lordship, this is with regard to the petitioner's claim of falling under the OBC category, Lordship. So initially it was heard, Lordship. Then at the point of hearing, this honourable court was pleased to direct for the including the managing committee in the matter, Lordship. So that's why it came back to the order column.
Where's the petitioner? Still in holiday mood.
Actually, Andraji is not well. Andraji is not well.
He's not well. Then some mentions have been made on the behalf, as reported the counsel for the petitioners in this month for 2 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
11.
Yes.
Please, Lordship. Conducting counsel is under obsession. May this matter take up. Mr. SSC, Lordship.
You do it, yes. It's a new year, I should take opportunity.
No one is appearing for respondent, Lordship.
No one appearing for
Lordship, the status will be presented.
They're on live on screen.
May this matter take after 2 weeks, Lordship. I am not ready to do, Lordship. I am not ready to do, Lordship.
You're ready. Absolutely. Yes. After 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Obliged, my lord.
Arguing counsel.
12.
Yes, Mr. Guru.
My lord,
What's the matter about?
My lord, you're the petitioner, my lord. I have retired from service, my lord. The limited issue here is, my lord, whether my pensionary benefits will be guided by the old scheme or the new scheme, my lord. That has already been decided by this honorable court, my lord. My lord, I have provided, in fact. On the earlier round of litigation, my lord, I was regularized, my service was regularized by the order of this honorable court, my lord, and it has been spelled out that I am entitled to all the pensionary benefits, my lord. Subsequent to that, my lord, I have been, my lord, as per the government, my lord, I'll be guided by the new scheme, my lord, which, my lord, was decided.
How is the judgment applicable? Let's see the facts of this case.
My lord.
Okay, yes. Yes. All judgment applicable? Which one's the first one?
In both the cases, my lord, I have referred, my lord. The same issue was, my lord, before your lordship.
Hmm. Yes, Mr. Archivist General.
Yes, my lord. Your lordship, if your lordship kindly see the terms of regularization in the counter affidavit, my lord, kindly see page 21 of the counter affidavit.
Yes.
The regularization, my lord, is this by virtue of this order of 21st December 2022, my lord. And the fact is, my lord, that the regularization has taken place subsequent to the coming of the pension policy, my lord, that your lordship will find the order at page 51, my lord. Page 51 of the counter of the writ petition, my lord.
51.
51, my lord. That is at page 51, my lord. The services of Srimati Angela Lingua, accountant, is hereby regularized with effect from 28th April 20. Page 51, my lord, the last line of paragraph. Office order dated 5th September.
Of the writ petition.
Of the writ petition, my lord.
Right, okay.
Annexure 22, my lord.
Yes.
Page 51.
Yes.
Approved by MPSC on dated so and so, last line of that paragraph. Service of Miss Angela Lingua, accountant, is hereby regularized with effect from 28th April 2023. So my submission, my lord, is that the regularization has taken place with effect from 28th April 2023, that is after the cutoff date in new defined pension scheme, my lord. After the date provided in that those who...
Cutoff is 2020.
Yes, my lord, 2000, because 2023 is the date and cutoff date in new defined pension scheme is, my lord, 1st April 2010. And kindly see your lordship's order.
Page?
Page, judgment of your lordship, page 6.
Of the writ petition.
Of the judgment relied by my friend, my lord. Because...
Which one? Applying merit soon?
Moxardul Amin Mondal.
Page 6.
Page 6, my lord. The submissions your lordship have taken note of, my lord. Paragraph 8, your lordship, where the finding your lordship has recorded. 7, your lordship. May I read paragraph 7? Heard count. The claim of the writ petitioner, as can clearly be seen from the pleading, is based solely on the ground that initial date of appointment, though under Regulation 3F was of 2008 and 2009 before the commencement of new pension scheme, have sought parity with the other persons, my lord. That date of regulation was after the implementation of new defined scheme. The petitioner will be covered under old pension scheme. At this juncture, it would be expedient to examine the letter of regulation dated 9/2/2021 and the entire purport thereof. It is noted that in this letter, before the clauses, conditions of regulation, including impugned clause 4, are contained, wherein it was stipulated that new pension scheme would be applicable. An umbrella paragraph has been inserted which reads as follows. The regulation is, however, subject to following condition as stipulated in department so and so. It is interesting to note that letter dated 27th August 2007, which dealt with the matters relating to ad hoc appointment, in the second condition given therein for regularization, it has been provided that period of 3 appointment of each incumbent would taken into consideration for the purpose of leave, pay, increment, pension as per existing provided into under FR 28A. The inclusion of this paragraph in letter of 9/2/2021 is clearly at odds with clause 4 of the letter, inasmuch as letter dated 27th August allows for the period of ad hoc appointment to be taken into account for the purpose of pension also. The guidelines for implementation of new pension scheme in clause 3(1) reads that a scheme shall be applicable to all new entrants joining the state government service on regular basis. My lord, I am against sanctioned vacant post on and after 1st April 2010, and it shall also be applicable to all government employees whose services will be regularized against regular post on or after 1st April 2010 with the benefit of prospective date. No doubt this guideline has to be taken into consideration while determining the entitlement of employees based on their date of regularization. However, as noted earlier, the letter of 9/2/2021 regularizing the service of the petitioner, on the other hand, while applying the condition as contained in letter of 27th August 2007, whereby period of 3 appointment was taken into consideration for the purpose of pension, in the same letter itself has been inserted the impugned clause 4 denying the pensioner the benefit allowed by letter of 27th August 2007. This contradiction, which is present on the face of record, is, in the opinion of this court, cannot be reconciled harmoniously, coupled with the fact that guidelines for implementation of new pension are not statutory in nature. In view of this matter, petitioner for the period of 3 appointment having been allowed all other benefits taking into account reckoning their service with regard to leave, pay, increment, this court, by liberal interpretation dated 19/2/21, sees no reason to deny the pensioner the added benefit of old pension scheme. So, your lordship's judgment in this case is based on facts and reading of the order of regularization, and your lordship has taken note in paragraph 9 the policy of the government. This policy is not under challenge, my lord, at paragraph 9, my lord. That policy, which clearly says, my lord, paragraph 9, if I can place your lordship kind consideration, this clause 3.1, a scheme shall be applicable to all new entrants joining the state government service on regular basis against sanctioned vacant post on or after 1st April 2010. It shall also be applicable to all government employees whose services were and will be regularized against regular post on or after 1/4/2010 with the benefits of prospective date, my lord.
So you say that this the judge will not apply because in the order of regularization of the
Yes, my lord. And your lordship has liberally and harmoniously construed.
Where's the order of regularization?
Yes, your lordship, the page, if your lordship will see the first order, with the page, where it started. Yes. Initial date, my lord. If your lordship will kindly page 44.
Didn't follow this LBS has acted.
Lordship will find page 44. The following only for the posts which fall in the purview of the commission, my lord, and accountant is mentioned, my lord, but this order 44, my lord, stood corrected at page 51, my lord, because the date mentioned here was 7/7/1986, MPSC recommendation, my lord. And then this was corrected, my lord, at page 51, my lord.
Yes.
So 28th April 2023. So in my submission, my lord, that the appointment order which your lordship has taken note in Moqsadul Amin Mondal, and so far as regularization order of the petitioner is concerned, my lord, is at variance, and therefore the ratio of the judgment of your lordship in writ petition civil number 244 of 2022 may not be applicable, my lord. Moreover, your lordship, the policy which is in place, my lord, which clearly provides that those who will be regularized after the cutoff date will not be entitled to, and they will be covered under the new defined pension scheme, which your lordship has taken note in paragraph 9 of your lordship's judgment. Now, my lord, the order which cabinet has passed, my lord, which is at page, what is the page number? Oh, page number, the counter. Yes, page. Where is that? Kindly see the order passed, page 21 of the counter affidavit, my lord.
You received it earlier?
Yes, my lord. 21 is with regard to, my lord, the policy of the government. Yes, my lord. That is the policy which I am relying upon. So I am relying upon two things, my lord. One, the scheme of the policy of government.
So you're talking about the exact order of organization.
Yes,
does not
ma'am.
cover that aspect.
Yes, ma'am. That is my.
You are given the benefit of, what about the earlier memorandums? We can't take into consideration that a period ad hoc appointment be taken into consideration when regularized.
Yes, my lord. My submission is, my lord, that they because 3F appointments are stopgap arrangements, my lord. It is not a kind of regular appointment, my lord. Regular appointment has taken place after the cutoff date of 1st April 2010, my lord. Therefore, the benefit under the policy
Now, your case is that specifically under this cabinet memo only they have been regularized, correct?
Yes, my case is that under the cabinet memo only they have been regularized. And if your lordship will see page 21.
Yes.
Because the cabinet paragraph 1 had approved the regularized 3,635 ad hoc employees who were appointed on and before 31st December 2000. Cabinet decision reads as follows. Of so and so, subject to conditions that the regularization is against sanctioned post only for only ad hoc appointment made on or before 31st December 2007, subject to rules and regulations, my lord, and applies prospectively from the date of issue of order and after the ad hoc appointment has undergone a special interview conducted specifically for this purpose by Meghalaya Public Service Commission or the District Selection Commission or department. So my submission, my lord, is the benefit may not be. Yes, my lord. That's my submission, my lord. And
yes, Mr. Guru, how do you counter on your reply arguments?
My lord, my page number 41, my lord.
Of your petition.
This is very clear, my lord.
Yes.
Last paragraph, my lord.
Of this judgment of this court?
No, my lord. My writ petition, my lord.
41?
Yes, ma'am.
Page 41?
My lord.
Page 41 contains the judgment, correct? Oh, page 51. What page are you referring to?
My lord, it is my apology, my lord. It is 52, my lord. The last page.
Exactly, but the thing is that you see, the contention of the is that your organization was done as a special measure under the cabinet decision, which is a memo also. So that's the thing, and this is you're referring to the old. This is the old memo, which is
my officiating period, my lord, is to be calculated, my lord, for the purpose of my pensionary benefits.
No, but you see, the thing is that while you've challenged this office order. I challenged the office order dated 1st September 2023 is under challenge, whereby your regularization is only from 28th April 2023. You should have challenged this on the basis of office memorandum instead of asking straight for pension. Unless this is corrected, then it stands in your way. Because
I
according to you,
yes,
you should have been regularized from the period of your initial appointment, correct?
my lord, yes.
Now this office order at 5th September 23 has regularized you with effect from 28th April 23 only, correct?
Exactly.
So that is stood no way. You should have come for correction of this, that my regularization from 20th 23 from 28th April 2023 is incorrect and it should have been as per the memorandum.
Exactly,
Have you
my
challenged this?
my lord, being agreed by this very office order, my lord, I am before your lordship, my lord. I
Where's
have
your
mentioned here.
prayer? Have you prayed for correction of this 28th April 2023?
I'll come to that, my lord.
Where's your prayer? You have to go by your prayer only. Otherwise, then we are.
And the cabinet decision has to be challenged, my lord, because cabinet decision also says that it has to be prospective in all 3,000.
Yes, you see, what if the initial appointment?
My
Yes,
initial
yes,
appointment.
you've already challenged that.
Yes.
Yes. When have you retired?
Lord, I retired last year only, my lord. 2023.
After or before you regularized?
After, my lord.
After graduation. After 5th April, you mean? Oh, was the order dated 5th September?
Yes.
Yes. No, how do you reconcile this 18th April 2023? Is any order passed superseding this annexure 16, page 44?
44, my lord, in itself is 44. Yes, my lord.
Approval for appointment from 1786.
Yes, my lord. This 44, my lord, was corrected, my lord, at page. This order was corrected at page 47, my lord. Sorry, page 51, my lord. Page 51, my lord. If your lordship.
And it's 1st June 2023?
Yes, this order was, my lord, 1st June 2023 because earlier,
47?
if your lordship will see, 1st June is there at page. This order is there at page 47, my lord. Page
47 years, regularized
40.
effect from
Yes, this order was corrected, my lord, because they were, as per cabinet decision, they have to be regularized prospectively, and therefore this error was corrected at page 51. If your lordship will see, kindly see the order of 5th September 2023, my lord.
Okay, cancel earlier department.
Yes, my lord. So the regularization is because cabinet decision is that you regularize all these persons prospectively and after the cutoff date, my lord. And in terms of policy decision
But
also.
there's no quarrel that she had served for 86 upon
Yes,
3
there is no quarrel. There is no quarrel. That to that extent I can't say, my lord. But
then there's no sense depriving her if she already rendered the service for all those years.
the problem, my lord, is that they have been appointed as a stop-gap arrangement under 3F, my lord. It's not a regular appointment, my lord. And we have done the regularization, my lord. So therefore, in my submission, my lord, this the lordship's judgment, because that is based on the.
No, that Moxil is different. Where's the other one?
Other one is.
judgment or whether the petitioners will be under the old pension scheme or the pension scheme.
Yes.
Okay.
So
this other is different also.
yes, my lord. The second judgment is also. So my submission is that, my lord, it has got far-reaching consequences for government and government's finances also, my lord. Because 3,635 employees are there, ad hoc employees. So your lordship may kindly take into consideration this aspect of the matter, my lord.
Where's the cabinet decision?
Cabinet decision is at page, your lordship will find counter affidavit, and that is decision is at page. Sorry, yes. It's page 21, my lord.
And under this order, she has regularized.
Yes, ma'am.
That's only hurdle for them. Then what about para 6 in page 22? They
Yes,
refer
my lord.
to this 83.
Whereas so and so November has clarified that the period of continuous officiating appointment and regulation 3F or ad hoc will also be counted leave increment pension having been regularized on recommendation of Meghalaya so and so or any authority approved in this behalf, my lord. That, my lord, if the regularization is with effect from date of appointment, my lord. So then that it will come into play, my lord.
See, whereas so and so.
Yes, my lord.
Approve upon so. Right, and then read next paragraph.
8 also, my lord. I'll take instruction on this aspect of the matter, my lord.
Because this is conflicting.
Yeah, there's some confusion is there in paragraph. Lordship
Well,
is
you
correct.
Say you don't want a cascade
Right.
of petitions, but
Yes.
the thing is that
Because this.
because 6 says that.
Yes, my lord. That what is the significance of this line? Read with 7 also, my lord. If your lordship will see, this issue requires some clarification and additional affidavit on our part also. How do we reconcile paragraph 6 and 7, my lord? And if your lordship will see paragraph 8 also, ad hoc which have been regularized as per provision, hence the
83.
8 regularized will now be covered under civil services pension rule and until further orders. My lord, kindly give me some time, my lord, to place the affidavit on this
That's
aspect.
the thing, because
Yes.
he's challenged the
Yes, my
revision
lord.
date now.
Yes,
I
my
mean,
lord.
like non.
Yes, my lord. That this aspect.
Yes, the Guru, what to do? After hearing at some length, then at the general praise that it be allowed some time to seek clarification with regard to the office memorandum dated 21st December 2022 on the subject of extension of pensionary benefits for ad hoc employees who have since been regularized. So, there's allowed this after
2 weeks.
Can you get instruction?
Yes,
Because
I will, because there 3,600 employees are there, my lord. It's not Mr. Groom's client only. That is.
you might land up with 3,635 petitions.
That is the only concern I have.
Very awkward, sir.